Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the ghosting so you know exactly what to fix. Open a fast-moving test pattern or drag the pointer and observe trails. Next, swap cables and ports. HDMI versus DisplayPort can change signal timing and remove artifacts. Once done, power cycle the monitor and reset basic settings. This clears temporary frame buffer issues and ensures you aren't chasing something transient. Make sure to note the original settings so you can restore them if needed. You now dig into timing and processing. Set the display to its native resolution and correct refresh rate because mismatched timing causes image persistence. Then, adjust the monitor's overdrive or response time. Turn it off first, then try low and medium settings. Overdrive can create inverse ghosting if too aggressive. Once that's tested, update monitor firmware and your GPU drivers. Outdated firmware leaves buffering bugs in place, so installing fixes often resolves persistent trails. Finish by isolating the problem. Connect a different computer or device to determine whether the monitor or the graphics source is at fault. If it's the panel, run a pixel refresher or display a mid-level gray/white image at 50% brightness for 30 to 60 minutes to help clear persistence. If ghosting persists, document every step and setting you tried and contact manufacturer support for RMA. This evidence speeds service and proves you exhausted simple fixes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.